Today we are going to learn how to use the Maryland Online IEP Contact Log to log parent contacts. The outcomes for today's sessions are to learn how to access the parent contact log on Online IEP and to understand the guidelines of how parent contacts should be documented. First, you're going to log on to Online IEP. Next, you'll type the name of the student you are logging a parent contact for. You can do it in the search bar above, or you can document their first and last name within the case matrix. Then hit search. When you are viewing your school's caseload, you will be able to click on the name of the student that you are trying to view. Once you click on the name, a notification screen will appear. You will see notifications, monitoring, profile, IEP summary, meetings, and forms and logs across the top bar. Click on Forms and Logs and scroll to the bottom. You will then click on Parent Contact. Once you click on Parent Contact, you will click on Add a Parent Contact. You will document the date of the contact, the time of the contact, the name of the person making the contact, and the name of the person being contacted. When you get to the notification section, the first option are dashes. You can use this section for parent contacts not relating to IEP meetings. Notice 1 can be used for the first contact related to an IEP meeting. Notice 2 can be used for the second contact related to an IEP meeting. And notice 3 can be used for the third contact related to an IEP meeting. If there have been 3 documented attempts to contact a parent, the case manager and IEP team can proceed with the scheduled meetings, but these attempts must be clearly documented within the contact log using Notice 1, Notice 2, and Notice 3. Next, you need to choose how the communication occurred. The options available are by phone, by email, face-to-face, and written correspondence. If the correspondence happened through the student's planner, an online learning platform, or notes from the parent, written correspondence should be selected. The last step is to document the purpose and the response for the communication. When reporting the communication, be sure to use facts only. Do not include opinions or interpretations of the communication. If the communication was written correspondence or email, you can summarize the communication or copy and paste the communication into the purpose and response portion of the parent contact log. When to use the parent contact log. The contact log is to be completed when school personnel makes contact regarding the student's IEP. This could be to discuss progress related to IEP goals, schedule IEP team meetings, discussion of student behaviors addressed within the IEP, supplementary aids, goals, objectives, or services. These are just some examples. If the parent contacts any member of the school team about questions, concerns, or comments related to any part of the IEP, the parent contact log should be completed. The following is an example of a parent contact log for an IEP meeting. The date of contact is documented, the time, the person making a contact, the name of the person being contacted, Notice 1 because this is the first notice for an IEP meeting, the method was by phone, and the purpose or response of the conversation. So it is documented who contacted the parent, why, and what the result of the conversation was. After this learning module, you should be able to locate the parent contact log on Maryland Online IEP, understand when to use the notices section within the parent contact log, know the necessary information required for an accurate parent contact log entry, and be ready to support case managers with inputting parent contacts. If you have any further questions, you can review the module again, contact your building administrator, Contact the special education department team leader or department chair. Contact the teacher specialist that supports your school.